A Q. That's right. Good job. H. That's right. Z. I know it's confusing because when you turn it the other way, it looks like an N, doesn't it? Get that out of your mouth. No, leave those alone. Those are Daddy's. No, come here. What other letters do you have? Look. What's that?
A boy.
What?
U.
U, that's right.
U. Z.
Z, well, if you turn it sideways, it's a Z, but it's supposed to be an N. Can you say N?
N.
N, good job.
Z. N. H.
H. No, what's that? What's this?
I.
I, good job. No, what's that? A. No, what's that? What is that?
A Y.
No, that's not a Y. Where's the Y? Can you find a Y? No, that's an O. You say O?
No.
Look over here. Where's the Y? That's O. O. Where's the Y?
Y.
Y? Yeah, okay. You don't want to find Y. You don't have to.
T.
T, that's right.
N.
N, that's right. Good job. And there's a confused face.
D.
Noah, what's that?
A K.
K, very good.
T. T. T.
T. Uh-oh.
S.
That's right, it's an S.
S. Bye.
Bye.